Coffee was one of the last great exotic beverages to conquer Europe. Unlike tea, which had entered Dutch households by the mid-17th century, coffee did not become commonplace until around 1700. Its arrival was slower, its taste stronger, and at first it was considered medicinal, a bitter remedy rather than a daily pleasure. But fashions changed. The addition of sugar and milk softened the flavor, and coffee houses flourished as gathering places for news, debate, and entertainment. Soon coffee entered private homes as well, embraced by the Dutch bourgeoisie as a marker of refined and modern taste. This Delft coffee pot, made around 1765 at the Grieksche A factory under Jacobus Halder, reflects that cultural transformation. Its model is exceptionally rare. To our knowledge, only one directly comparable example, also by Jacobus Halder, is preserved today in the collection of the Keramiekmuseum Princessehof in Leeuwarden. Another blue and white variant of the same model but without a spout is known from older references, though its present location is uncertain. Whereas tea carried by the VOC, the East India Company from the East, quickly became a domestic staple, coffee followed a different path. Imported via Yemen and later cultivated by the Dutch in Java and Suriname, it spread more slowly, only becoming accessible across social classes in the mid-18th century. This coffee pot embodies that shift, a vessel both practical and luxurious, speaking of a world where new habits and global trade reshaped European life. Born of the age when coffee moved from exotic medicine to daily ritual, this Delft coffee pot endures a rare testament to Rococo artistry and Delft's inventive response to new tastes. Did you enjoy this movie? Click here to watch another like it, or click the circle to subscribe to our channel and be notified when we upload new ones. I wish you could smell this place.